Good morning. So I'm in, I think, Carmarthenshire today, in the very northwest tip of the Brecon Beacons National Park, in a small village called Myddfai, which is near Llandovery. Bit of a drive to get here, but it's beautiful. Surrounded by greenery. I've also probably picked the only place in the Brecon Beacons that isn't sunny today, so that's annoying, because the driving in was gorgeous. Here it looks like that comes over, that's sort of severe rain. That wasn't forecast, so we'll see. I'm going to get into the village, and this is the visitor centre. It's got nice toilets and very clean. I've spent some money in there, so I don't feel bad about parking. And yeah, the visitor centre was cool. Got a bit of local history and nice shop with some old ladies selling tea and cakes and things, which was very nice. So gonna crack on now. Just crossing a river bridge. The weather's absolutely terrible. It's pissing it down. Honestly, I picked the only place in the whole national park where it's raining. I'm not even joking. I bet my car now, or my house, on that fact. Like, how have I done that? And it's not just a shower, it's like a endless band of rain that I can't see stopping. Anyway, I wouldn't mind, it's so cold. Mixture of cold and wet is not good. Anyway, I'm going to progress up here and see how we get on. It's a wooded area. They look lovely in the summer. So we're heading for the coal there between the two. So the weather's still terrible. Freezing rain. Yeah, head for there. Quite steep the first bit up the steep road. Didn't look like it on the map, but decent climb already. I'll see in a bit. Lovely green hills, at least, and over here shows us where we're going. This is it, Mynydd Myddfai. It's like a long ridge, so fair way to go. I'll press on a bit to the coal area. The path was a river of mud, so I had to go into the adjacent field. Literally, it's still raining. Everywhere around me is sunny. I'm literally on the only spot, look over there, only spot that's still raining. It's horrible. So yeah, it's still raining. So we're going to go up here. I think this is the way. See you in a sec. Rain's finally gone. The beautiful mid Wales. Stunning. So yeah, the path is a river. I wouldn't recommend this route in the winter. It's not been easy at all. It's so wet. I didn't expect it to be this wet. Anyway, we're going to get up to the coal and then we'll reassess from there. These pillow mounds are cool. There's loads of them everywhere. Oh, this is nice now. Some sun. This is what was forecast. It's pure sun all day. So I come up here and hopefully I think there's a peel off path shortly to the left. Little lunch spot here, pretty good views into the Black Mountain. Lovely. I'll just stop here for 5-10 minutes, have something to eat quickly, and we'll crack on up the hill. So just up there, this is the first like ridge summit, one of the minor ones on the way. So we're going to get up there, we'll show you the views from up there. That's the first stop. Snow-capped Black Mountain. This is a hell of a view. Seen my first people today down there. Caenewydd in the distance. Wow, wonderful, just wonderful views. So green. Mid Wales is so awesome. And this is just the edge of Mid Wales, really. Oh, God. So yeah, it's worth seeing that. Can't find the path a minute, so I'm gonna have a look for that and just get up to our first little summit. So we've come round, we now follow this earthwork here straight up the ridge. Amazing views. Caen on Caenewydd, I think it's called. The summit's up there. Caenewydd, that's the summit marker. It's on the western edge of Myddfai Ridge. I'm hoping that rain doesn't come in from the back mountain. It looks horrible. It might do actually, wind's going that way. Snow-capped Pen y Fan. Mynydd Myddfai there in the distance. Very nice views. So, fair way along the ridge. Got this huge weather system here coming in. So I was going to go back the same way and bag a minor hill, but that's coming over. I want to get off the hill before that comes over. It looks dreadful. So we're going to hit the Trig and cut down onto the road in a circular walk. New Trig, everyone likes a Trig. Mynydd Myddfai. It's the weather coming this way. Does not look nice. Beautiful views from here though. Wow, lovely. Gorgeous. Gonna get down. See you in a bit. Bylchau, a ridge summit on the Myddfai Ridge. There you go, 408. That's a pig in there, Roman fort. Another one ticked off. That's third and final little summit today, ridge summit. We get down. I think I might have missed that weather actually, but that's horrendous. That's just get off the mountain weather, that. Thank God, I think I missed it. Right, we get down. Showing the descent route now. I'm going to drop down around here and we're following the left hand side of the hill, on the left hand side of that ridge. It's not ridge, sorry, valley. The left hand side of the valley, down there, across and down to the road. Some wonderful views here in descent. These lovely lush little green hills everywhere. These are all the Myddfai outlier hills, so I'm going to have another 3 visits here I think to complete all of those, but it looks fun. They look really good. Road's just down there. We'll do one last section before we say goodbye for now. So this has paid off really well. The weather's gone, I've missed it. Nice road descent now, straightforward. About half an hour now back into Myddfai, circular walk. Hope you enjoyed it. Trumps for thumbs up for January still. Wow, it's like April. It's warmer than April. It's mad. I haven't needed my down jacket all day. It's been warm. Absolutely lovely. Amazing weather for January. Best January in living memory. Been out a lot, that's good. See you again.